Tehran will be able to assemble this fighter domestically out of pre-made parts, with the potential to grow its Su-35 fleet to 100 units within a short term. Many experts believe that the main form of payment for the continuous flow of drones and ammunition from Iran into Russia is the 24 Su-35 fighter jets that the Kremlin began delivering in April 2023. However, this was not enough, or Iran's aid has grown to the extent that Tehran has now also received a license to manufacture this type of aircraft. Reporting on the new agreement between the two partner countries, media outlets in Russia and Iran note that this form of cooperation opens the door for production of 48 to 72 fighters on Iranian territory. This includes not only the Su-35 but the simpler two-seater Su-30 as well, both derived from the Soviet Su-27. Based on Russia's previous practices for licensing Su-30 production, this likely means local assembly of aircraft from pre-made subsystems and parts. In practical terms, this will allow Iran to not just update its current air force but also quickly raise its air capabilities to a whole new level. Even the initial 24 ready-to-go Su-35s have already altered the balance in Iran's favor. Especially so because these aircraft were transferred on such short notice, as they had already been manufactured by the time of the agreement, just gathering dust in storage. Originally intended for Egypt, the aircraft remained unsold after Cairo backed out of a $2 billion deal with Moscow, wary of US sanctions for purchasing Russian weapons. Metaphorically, Iran's current air force is something between an antique shop and a zoo. Many different aircraft blend in there: remnants of American supplies before the Islamic Revolution, Chinese imports, and Soviet planes that Iraqi pilots brought in 1991. How many of the declaratively available 68 F-4 Phantoms, 43 F-14 Tomcats, 24 Chengdu J-7s, Chinese copy of MiG-21, 35 MiG-29s and other aircraft are de facto still capable of taking part in combat missions is a huge question. The agreement with Russia offers Tehran the potential to acquire nearly 100 Su-35s, effectively doubling its fleet with combat-ready and uniform aircraft, which in turn simplifies maintenance in the long term. This could substantially shift the regional balance of power. Not to mention, Russia has committed to enhancing Iran's ground-based air defense. In August 2024, media reports indicated that Moscow delivered S-400 air defense missile systems to protect Iranian nuclear sites. Furthermore, Iran has also confirmed receiving Mi-28 attack helicopters and Yak-130 light combat trainer aircraft from Russia.